What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog. For today's video we have the Galaxy S8 Plus versus the LG Stylo 4. We're going to be doing a gaming comparison with this game and see which one is going to actually work better, and just basically to compare both games and how well they work on the phones. So I have somebody that actually played it before and has played the game extensively, where he's going to give me his honest opinion on how it is on the LG Stylo 4. Go ahead, Abe.
Alright guys, so what we're looking for pretty much is just how's the processor on both phones, whether they lag or not. This is a good game. It's pretty intensive. So let's start with the Galaxy S8 Plus. Let's do a story. Alright, so right now we're waiting on it to load. I mean, so far, you know, everyone knows the Galaxy S8 Plus is a great phone, right? And keep in mind, this is a 6GB RAM phone, my S8 Plus. And the LG Stylo 4 only has 2GB, so keep that in mind.
Don't hold back. I already won this. Stay down.
So you guys see now how it was like pretty smooth, you know, no lagging or anything like that on the Galaxy S8. Now for the real test. We want to see the LG Stylo 4. How does that compare to the rest? So it's loading pretty quickly, almost as fast as the S8 Plus. Let me raise up the volume a little bit for you guys. It sounds pretty good. Now remember, this is a 2GB RAM phone, and look how it's loading already. Just as fast as my S8, which was a 6GB phone. It's not bad. I love the graphics on this phone, honestly. Kind of regretting getting my S8 Plus now. Alright, I'm gonna do like the most like graphic intensive thing. This is like the most graphics you'll see from this whole game. It's doing this. The most graphic extensive thing. I'll show you guys in a second. And so I feel like this one actually might be a little bit louder than my S8 Plus actually. And I'm honestly starting to feel a little jealous about it. So there you guys have it. Super smooth. Everything about it is perfect. It's even louder than my S8 Plus, which is, I'm kind of surprised. Alright guys, and there you have it.
Alright, so basically, and I'll be honest, I was just in the background listening. This was it's so loud. I realized that it was much louder than the S8 Plus. So the surround sound on this is amazing. As you can see here, it actually has an option for the 3D surround sound that's not even on yet. So you can even have a better surround sound once that's enabled. And even you can see how the display is very clear. The colors are very dark and as good as the display that's on the S8 Plus. Although this is a $200 phone comparing to a $800 phone. So for a 2GB phone, that's actually not bad. As you guys can see, it didn't lag, it didn't stop, it didn't freeze or anything like that.
I think the thing benefited also from the speaker being on the bottom. The
name of the game was Dragon Ball Legends. It's very graphic extensive. We showed you guys, and as you can see, no lags. It played very well. The graphics were amazing. The sound was amazing. There you guys have it. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section below. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.